hope you are having a beautiful day. Welcome back to my channel. I could not be more excited today because I am going to share with you my secret to create these waves. So yesterday I got a PR package and I've been waiting for this bad boy for a long time. For you guys to understand, I am a disaster when it comes to hairstyling. I'm not good at it, and it's just like I was never good at it. Like I just can't. Until I discovered this bad boy. It's called the Wylera Simply Magic, and it is amazing. I'm gonna show you how it looks. So basically it has all these amazing tools. It has a battery, so it is wireless. You can get your curly hair on the go. You can charge it with your phone and with your car, anything, it's possible. So basically you just literally choose attach here. It has a USB and another one that I don't know the name, and I've done all these just with the battery. So I'm going to give you a discount code as well that they send through. This is a lifesaver. Like if I have an event, I will definitely use this. If you don't follow me on my Instagram yet, then make sure you do. I'm going to put the link as well. Let's get started. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It does mean the world to me because I am just starting, and yeah, I hope you like it. Okay, so I already parted my hair in the middle. I had it in a bun after it was drying, so it's a little bit wavy, but not really nicely. So what I'm trying to do is get in really nice waves. So what I already done, I turned it on and oh, it's ready. That literally took no time. So it has two positions. You can go to the left and then you can do the curl to the right. For the left side, I always do left, and the right. It also lets you adjust the temperature, and I'm gonna leave it at 180 because my hair is fine. And you can also let the machine know how many seconds you want to leave it on, and it would actually beep until it will count for you, let's put it that way. Okay, so I have it on the left side. Let's see if you can guys see it. Oh, you won't be able to see it. It's basically an L. So I'm gonna grab my hair, very easy, and I have it in 12 seconds, and I'm just gonna wait. And that's the first curl, which is super cool. So I'm gonna try to get the same amount of hair every time I do these, and go back in. Right, how cool are these? Okay, so what I'm going to do very differently with what I've been doing now, for my front part, I'm going to go only up to my ear height. So that's where it is. And I'm not gonna leave it that much long, because I always like to have like, because I always like to have my curls a little bit looser around my face. Okay, quickly gonna check the battery, and it's still 100% full. That is amazing, because you would think that when they are like, you know, like I feel like creating heat actually takes a lot of battery. That must be a really good battery. And on one side, I know it looks a little bit impressive, but I'm going to brush them off. And once you brush them off, you'll be amazed. So because it's the next side, I'm actually going to change it to the right. So that was just so easy. That's done. So again, I'm gonna go with my comb. And I'm going to quickly go back to the right, and because I did that one a little bit higher, I'm gonna go to that one again. And I'm just gonna leave it a few minutes, few seconds, sorry, not minutes. Okay, and that's more similar. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna let them cool down a little bit, and then I'm gonna brush them off. Okay guys, so we are back on track after some technical difficulties. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to brush them off. They're already cooled down. This is how it looks. Now I'm going to tell you a little secret. Okay, so after you brush them off, I'm going to grab the straightener and I'm going to straighten the ends. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to have like really nice waves, but I'm going to have just a little bit more of length. There we go. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I love that extra length here. Okay, so this is how it looks and I really hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment below. I always smile when I see your comments, so it means the world to me, as I always say. Big kisses and stay safe.